Obviously, I'm back on YouTube today. I tried to make a video, but my mom had to text someone. So, yeah. I don't know what she's doing. Anyways, we're just gonna mix in my glue. It's really thick. Mom, mix it in for a second. And, like, it's thick. Isn't that thick?
Yeah, and look, it's turning yellow and orange.
I'm trying to make it a yellow, metallic slime. So, yeah. It's turning orange. When did it turn orange? It's turning orange. Whatever, you know. Yeah, we wanted it to turn orange. Definitely. Now it looks like an egg yolk. Yay. Mom? Oh, I think she went to the bathroom. This looks like egg yolk so much. So much like egg yolk. Ew. I like eggs though. It's still, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I don't know if this is okay. Okay, I'm just gonna have to smush it up a little. Oh my gosh, I got it on my hands. Okay, whatever. Ha 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 ha. I don't know if this is going to pretty or not. It's still an egg yolk. Still an egg yolk. Some golden stuff in it, you know? Definitely an egg yolk with gold flakes on it. This is actually pretty. My golden egg yolk. Oh my gosh, girl. This is pretty good, you know. You know what I'm saying? Mom, at first it looked like an egg yolk, and now look how pretty it is.
Yeah, it's trying to warm up. It's like gold.
Okay. I'll have the glitter at the end. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my activator. Tide. You can use borax, baking soda, contact solution, but I use Tide. If you make slime a lot with Tide and you don't use gloves, it will irritate your skin. So, yeah. Now I'm mixing in activator. It's forming. It's glooping now. Gloop. Gloop. It actually really did look like an egg yolk at first. Mom, isn't our power out? Yeah. It sucks. It's been out for a day. Guys, comment down below if your power has been out for more than a day. I think it still needs a little bit more. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna start in with my hands. Mom, whenever you go over to Elisa and Matt's house, can I come with you?
Take a shower then. If you're coming over there, you're taking a shower.
Will you take it first, and then I can just like pet the dogs while you're in the shower?
I don't care.
I like petting their dogs. It's just like they slobber a lot, and you know how I am. The crap. This glue is like freaking cold. Cold. Like an ice cube. Table now. Are those Nutty Buddies? Or Nutter Butter? Crap. Cold. It's so cold. Because we have to put wood for our warmth. Guys, you can literally probably hear the wind. It is bad. It is really bad wind. At our ski place where we ski, like their power is out too. And yesterday when we went skiing, the wind was really bad on lift 1, really bad, and worse on lift 5. Lift 7 and lift 11. Hit it, 7, 11. Mom, you know why 11 and 7 weren't
I
windy?
wish you would quit making slime. You don't have any way to clean yourself up. We don't have water to spare for you to wash your hands. Seriously.
That's why I wash my hands.
You have to wash your hands.
Yeah, that's why I
I said quit making slime. We don't have water to spare for you to wash your hands.
Oh my gosh. Activator.
There you go.
What?
Oh, never mind.
I was gonna say turn.
I could have caught it from my phone.
I told Elisa that I'd come over about an hour to take a shower. So I'm gonna take Leah with me and make her take one.
And while Mom's in the shower, I can pet their slobbery dogs.
Well, finish up your slime.
It's almost finished.
I gotta go upstairs and pack up a bag of stuff to take over there so I can take my shower. My deodorant and everything, and some towels.
It's almost finished. It's forming, and all I have to do after it's like not sticky anymore, which is getting there, is add.
Here, he's making slime and washing your hands like we have water to spare.
That water was cold.
Get him, Shaq. Get her, Shacky. Get her.
Earlier they were playing, and Shaq had his nails stuck in her collar and was just getting dragged around by her.
Sophie's like biting at him, and he's just laying there putting his hand on her face. And
Well-
every once in a while he'll open his mouth.
Also earlier,
Easy.
he was trying to get his nail out, and Sophie would just like bite him because she was stuck to him, and they were stuck to each other. So he would like open his
I
mouth.
walk away from the fire and I'm like, oh.
I know I've been over here doing videos and stuff like that for like. Were you down there for like an hour? Getting
Alright,
kind
why
of
don't
used.
you finish
Almost.
your
Okay.
video up?
Now I'm just gonna have to add glitter.
Shaq and Sophie, put Sophie. Take it easy.
That looks so cool. Mom, look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. The inside of that blow after I made this slime is like COOL. Cool. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
That was pretty.
No, the inside of
Oh
the
yeah, do you need me to wipe that out?
yeah.
If I can.
Okay. This slime is really good. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some like stuff. Stuff. I don't care. Oh guys. I'm gonna end this video right here. Grab me close. Hope you like this video. If you do, smash that like button. I'll post this on my Instagram. Follow and subscribe. Guys, please.